So I'm sitting here at the bottom of the Marble Bar Chert, which is this thick unit of sedimentary rocks that's made up of a lot of different colors of bands. And what's interesting and sort of puzzling to figure out is how those different color layers came to be in the same kind of rock. That's not very common or usual. And as geologists, we really want to try and understand how things become what they are. And we can look at that by looking at the surrounding areas. And by looking underneath the Marble Bar Chert, we see one of those color components, this black or bluish gray material in through here. And it has this extraordinary texture where it's cutting through the basaltic rocks that underlie the Marble Bar Chert. But as it cuts through, it actually breaks them apart. And you can see all these pieces used to fit back together again. They have sort of a texture that we call jigsaw puzzle fit, where all these pieces were once together, but this black material has intruded or come into them and forcefully expanded them apart. And it basically went kapow and broke it like almost a hammer breaking a plate glass. And that must have happened in a geological instant. And this black material was actually just a fluid like water that had a lot of dissolved mineral in it. And that mineral is called silica. It's like quartz, the crystal many of you would know, but it's a finer grain type of silica. It's very hard, but it was dissolved like sugar in coffee. It's dissolved in that fluid. And for it to be deposited like this, floating around these fragments, it must have come out of solution almost instantly.